Hey, how's it everybody? Welcome back to the channel. um, Today we're gonna do some shore fishing out here in Haleiwa. Beautiful day for the kayak, but no kayak today. So I'm out with my brother Marshall, and the mission is to put him on some fish. So I hope I succeed today. Beautiful morning. All right. Yeah, just wonderful out here in the North Shore. So we'll see what's gonna happen. Ano pa? Yeah. Alright. Marshall's on some. Yeah. Plenty of those guys around here, huh?
Oh, that's awesome.
Humu humu nuku nuku. Catch the whole family out here.
Right in the middle of praying for my food. Too. That's crazy.
Yeah. Here, let me get the pliers. We are here to slay the state fish. Just kidding, guys. We'll release him.
Yeah.
Huh?
There's still hope.
Right? I can see it right there.
Oh, wow, that's way out there. It's like a mind game. You don't know if it's rain or cloudy.
Yeah. Wait. Wait, there's something. Yeah. On a pass. How does a floaty get stuck, bro?
I must be looking at the wrong thing.
I think a fish took it down, man.
What if you're on a fish and it's just under a rock?
Yeah.
That's so weird.
Got any spectators?
They think you just got mad.
Ooh!
One of those times you just yell out.
How did a floaty get stuck?
Well, that's kind of weird.
No, dude, it was literally floating. And as soon as I pulled on it,
I think there's a big patch of like seaweed out there.
see, I see it. You see it?
No. Oh, I think so.
Yeah, that is my floaty.
Okay, yeah, I see it. There's gotta be that.
Yeah,
Rock one
the
there.
hook is on something. See? Alright. Came off. Oh, the floaty came off too. See, it's not coming in, it's floating right there. Lost the floaty. Broke off at the swivel.
Kind of good now than that.
Yeah, it's just floating right there.
Glistening in the sun.